It's been really tracking what you've been doing and wanted to be part of the experience.
I loved the jungle a lot actually because it was a very diverse jungle. The most distinct memories, of course, we saw an elephant at the start of the safari, and we also saw a herd of elephants at the end of the safari. So I think we saw a lot of animals, and we saw them from quite close quarters. So that is what I really enjoyed. Even the deer, looking at the deer and having Shashank point out that the antlers are a specific shape, that was something very interesting for me. And seeing the flycatcher, the paradise flycatcher, which was really up close, as well as the kingfisher. I had never seen it. The crested serpent eagle, which was very close to us. So I think I really enjoyed seeing all this, and I enjoyed them more because of the the input, the knowledge input that went along with it.
First of all, I was very skeptical when I did go for the safari. I went with no expectations because of our previous experience with at Bandipur and Kabini in Karnataka. But I was in for a really pleasant surprise because in our first safari itself, we spotted a tiger, and it was so cool because it just walked right in front of us, just like he's the king of the jungle.
So for me too, I think the three cubs and the mother was really something. Initially when we saw the tigers, there were 3 tigers around the water body, and that I thought was a lot. It's wonderful. But when then we went the other path because they anticipated that they would come out there, and then the jeep was positioned in such a way that I think we had a very good view of the tigers passing, and then one more added, and 3 there and then 4 here was really something.
Gopal, who was our driver throughout the whole thing, great sense of humor.
Yeah.
He kept us entertained even when there was nothing to see, because you'll see something and then you'll go for a couple of hours without, not seeing anything. You see a lot of things, but you don't see the big things, right? So he kept us entertained, he kept us involved in the loop. Great sense of humor and nice person all around, knew the jungle, and he could take it as well as he could dish it out. So we had a good time with him.
What I also liked about Gopal is that his sense of judgment. Really, we just get happy in the moment, but then Gopal knows what next to do. So this experience with Gopal has been really, really fabulous.
Yeah, so for me too, the highlight I think was the service. They made us feel really welcome here, and they were willing to do everything for us. And the food was wonderful. It was simple and extremely tasty and varied. I appreciated that in spite of not having too many resources, they're able to really serve us such good food. And also that they could, because of some health reasons, we had we made some special requests, and they were really able to fulfill all that. So I really appreciated that. And it's clean. I appreciated that very much too, the cleanliness standards that they had. Yeah, so the experience with Shashank has been fabulous. In fact, this was the reason that we chose to go on this safari, because we wanted to go with somebody who knew what he was doing.
What I've realized is that Shashank makes a whole lot of difference and would want to go on all the safaris with Shashank. And I'm lucky because I spotted the first tiger sighting with Shashank.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.